It's a fine picture.
And you want to see some more?
Test us.
Roll them over.
Cleveland's Cinecraft Productions is the oldest industrial film producer in the country. Over the years, they captured and collected scenes of life in Northeast Ohio from a time long ago. When the time came to preserve this priceless record of our past, they turned to the specialists at Delaware's Hagley Museum and Library.
They came and got some 6,000 cans of film. There's a couple thousand different film titles in those cans of film. And they've transferred hundreds of them already. And, they're trying to find the most interesting ones. And then they're putting those up on the Hagley Museum and Archive website.
Thank you, sir. Popcorn!
Kevin Martin from the Hagley came with a team, and there's probably 4 other people with him. And so they boxed all the things that we had and started to do an initial inventory so they knew what they were taking. And they took most everything. There were some films that had gotten badly damaged through floods in the sub-basement where they were stored. So they couldn't take everything because there was no way you could save that.
After the collection found its way to Hagley's Delaware home, their staff of archivists and curators set to work, carefully restoring and conserving these delicate moments in time. What they found was a jaw-dropping array of forgotten film history, products, and the places we bought them.
And if you listen from the hilltops, you can hear its freedom ringing.
A close look at a region at work and its role in rebuilding post-war America.
That place is home.
A chance to get reacquainted with old friends.
It's a spirit of brotherhood and friendship.
And an opportunity to revisit our childhood.
Oh, it's great. Love the parties.
It's a decision that Neil McCormick does not regret.
I knew we had some interesting things, and I thought it was too cool to throw out. Like most of my career, I was very good at delegating, so I sort of delegated this to wonderful people who are spending the time and the effort and the resources to really capture what's there.
Until next week, Dan, this is Louise Winslow saying goodbye to you through the kitchen window.